Emmett, are you trying to do the book? Show Grandma. If you're happy and you know it, clap, clap. Yeah, you're doing the book. Clap, clap. That's right. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Clap, clap. You're reading the book. Are you reading the book? Right. Right. Clap, clap. Are you doing it? Uh-huh. Good job. Are you done? You can still do it? Okay.